At dito, ito yung program na nagawa ko. So, ito yung location. So, ito yung location 1. And then yung pin niya. And then yung location. Tapos yung pin ng location 2. Then yung console location option, location ng pin para ma-compute natin yung kung saang kilometro yung pwede nating mabiyahe once napunta sa isang lugar. Or example is Laguna to Rizal. Okay, na po natin. Okay, location 1 which is Laguna. Then, yung enter pin niya is 54.5. Then, yung another location natin is yung Rizal, which is yung place natin ngayon. Then, yung pin niya is 10. Then, calculate niya is location option natin is Laguna, which is 54.5 Rizal pin. And then another destination is 54. The marker pin destination of 2 is 10. And then calculated the distance is 44.5. Wait, please natin yung calculated distance kasi parang ang gulo. Maliit lang siya. So, i-caps lock natin to. And, ito. Yan, caps lock lang natin. Then, run ulit. Pag run natin, magkapa is Laguna. Then, yung 54.5. Then, Rizal, which is our place to ngayon. Then, 10 yung enter pin location niya. So, the next location yan. And then, yung na-process na siya. Yung location option natin is Laguna, yung pin natin place, which is yung pin niya is 54.5 to Rizal. Yung Rizal is 10. Yung market pin destination ng Laguna is 54.5, and then yung market pin destination of ng Rizal is 10. So, yung nagkakalit tayo ng distance, which is 44.5 kilometer yung magagamit natin kung magbiyahe tayo from Rizal to Laguna. That's all. Thank you. I'm Rochelle Saban from USIT 2B.